Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Adam. Today, we have a very important topic. It is the first thing you do when you meet someone new. You do this every time, talking about yourself. To help me, I have a guest. Please welcome my friend Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Adam. Hello, everyone. I am happy to be here. I love meeting new people.
Me too, Sarah, but sometimes I am shy.
Really? You are a podcast host. You talk to everyone.
I know, but talking is easy. Talking about myself is hard.
That is true. It can be difficult. Where do we start?
We usually start with the basics, name and age.
Yes. My name is Sarah. Simple.
And age. I am 25 years old.
Adam, you are not 25.
Shh, it's a secret. Okay, I am 30 years old.
That is better. Honesty is important.
After name and age, we say where we are from.
Yes, I say I am from Canada or I come from Canada.
Both are correct. I am from the UK, but I live here now. Sarah, I have one more question.
What is it?
What is your dream job?
That's a big question.
Is it graphic design or something else?
I like my job, but my dream is to be a writer.
A writer? Books?
Yes, children's books. I want to write stories.
That is amazing. You are creative.
Thank you. What is your dream job, Adam?
I am doing it. I love podcasting.
Aw, that is sweet. You love talking.
I do, and I love helping people learn English.
Adam, do you like your city?
Yes, I love it, but I miss the rain.
You miss the rain? That is strange.
I know, I'm a strange person.
So, we have name, age, and country. What is next?
Usually, people ask, what do you do?
Ah, yes. This means, what is your job?
Exactly. It is a very common question.
So, Adam, what do you do?
Well, I'm a teacher and a podcaster.
Wow, you have two jobs. You are busy.
Yes, I like to work. What about you, Sarah?
I am a graphic designer. I make pictures on computers.
That sounds fun. Are you good at art?
I think so. I like colors.
I am terrible at art. I cannot draw a cat.
Drawing is hard. It takes practice.
I practice sleeping instead.
That is a good hobby. Speaking of hobbies,
Yes, hobbies are the best part. This is the fun part.
when you introduce yourself, you share your interests.
We say, I like or I enjoy,
For example, I enjoy reading books.
or I like playing soccer. Sarah, what do you like?
I love hiking. I walk up mountains. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like cooking. I cook dinner every night.
Really? Are you a good cook?
No, I'm a bad cook, but I try.
Oh no, does your food taste bad?
Sometimes it's burnt, sometimes it's salty.
Remind me not to eat dinner at your house.
Okay, deal. I will order pizza.
Pizza is safe. Everyone likes pizza.
Sarah, do you have any pets? People talk about pets often.
Yes, I have a cat. His name is Milo.
Aw, is he cute?
He is very cute, but he is also naughty.
Does he scratch the furniture?
Yes, he scratches my sofa. It's a problem.
I don't have pets. I have a plant.
A plant? Does it have a name?
Yes, his name is Robert. He is very quiet.
You are funny, Adam. Robert the plant.
He is a good listener.
So, we talked about jobs and hobbies. What about family?
Yes, family is a big topic.
We usually say if we have brothers or sisters.
I have one brother. He's older than me.
Is he nice?
Yes, but he talks too much.
Like you?
Hey, I talk for my job. It's different.
I have two sisters. I'm the youngest.
Being the youngest is good. You're the baby.
Yes, my parents spoil me, just a little.
Lucky you. My brother steals my food.
Brothers are annoying sometimes.
True, but we love them, usually.
Adam, let's talk about personality. How do you describe yourself?
This is a hard question. I think I am friendly.
Yes, you are friendly, and you are funny.
Thank you. I try to be funny.
Sometimes your jokes are bad, but we laugh anyway.
Ouch, that hurts. Just kidding.
I think I am hardworking. I like to finish tasks.
Yes, you are very organized. I'm messy.
We are opposites, but we are friends.
Exactly. Opposites attract.
Adam, do you have a fun fact?
A fun fact? What is that?
It's a small, interesting story about you.
Ah, yes. Teachers ask for this often.
Yes, tell the class one fun fact.
Okay, my fun fact is I can juggle.
Juggle? With balls?
Yes, I can juggle 3 balls.
Wow, that is a cool fact. My fun fact is boring.
Tell me, nothing is boring.
I have never broken a bone.
That is not boring. That's lucky.
I am very careful. I don't take risks.
I broke my arm once. I fell off a bike.
Ouch, was it painful?
Yes, very painful and embarrassing.
Why was it embarrassing?
The bike wasn't moving. I just fell over.
Oh, Adam, you are clumsy.
I know, walking is dangerous for me.
So we have a full introduction now.
Yes, let's review. Name, country, age,
Job, hobbies, and pets.
family, and personality.
And a fun fact.
That's a lot of information.
It is, but you don't say it all at once.
True, you ask questions. It's a conversation.
You say one thing, then ask, and you?
Yes, I like pizza. And you?
I like tacos. See? Conversation.
It's easy. Don't be nervous.
People are usually nice. They want to listen.
Unless you talk for 1 hour, then they sleep.
Yes, keep it short. Keep it interesting.
Sarah, what is your favorite color? This is a basic question.
My favorite color is green, like nature.
Green is nice. My favorite color is blue.
Like the sky?
No, like blueberries. I'm hungry.
You are always thinking about food.
I can't help it. Talking makes me hungry.
You are funny, Adam. Do you like travel?
Yes, I love travel. I want to see the world.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Japan. I want to eat sushi.
More food. But Japan is beautiful.
Yes. And you? Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Italy. I want to see history.
And eat pasta?
Ideally, yes. Pasta is delicious.
See, we have many things in common.
Talking about yourself helps you find friends.
Yes, you find people who like the same things.
Or people who are different. That is interesting too.
Absolutely. Sarah, are you a morning person?
Yes, we talked about this before. I wake up early.
Ah, right. I forgot. I'm a night owl.
See, this is part of your introduction too.
Hi, I'm Adam. I like sleeping.
That is a funny introduction. People will laugh.
Humor is good. It breaks the ice.
Breaks the ice? That's an idiom.
Yes, it means to make people comfortable.
Telling a joke is a good way to start.
A smile is the best introduction.
I agree. A smile is universal. Everyone understands it. So, Adam, introducing yourself is not scary.
No, it is fun. It is sharing your story.
Everyone has a story.
Even Robert the plant?
Maybe. Ask him later.
Okay, we talked a lot.
Yes, I feel like I know you better now.
And I know you. You have a naughty cat.
And you are a clumsy cook.
Exactly. We are good friends.
Listeners, now you are ready. You can talk.
Use simple sentences. Be happy. Be yourself.
That is the most important rule. Be yourself.
Don't try to be perfect. Just be you.
English is for communication, not perfection.
Thank you, Sarah. This was a lovely chat.
Thank you, Adam. It was fun to talk about myself.
It is always fun. You are interesting.
You are too kind.
And thank you to our listeners. You are the best part.
We love helping you learn.
Please introduce yourself in the comments.
Tell us your name, where are you from?
And tell us one fun fact or your hobby.
For example, I am from Brazil. I like dancing.
Or, I am from Japan. I have a cat.
We read every comment. We want to meet you.
Yes, don't be shy. Practice your writing.
Also, please like this video. It makes Adam happy. And subscribe to the channel. Join our community.
We have new lessons every week.
Good luck with your introductions.
Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time. Bye.